Title: 5 Things That Are Secretly Stealing Your Wealth. Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. You are not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because your money is leaking silently every single day. And here's the scary part. Most of these leaks are invisible. A recent study showed that the average person loses over 20% of their income to unnoticed spending habits. Not investments, not emergencies, just bad patterns. Now think about this for a second. What if I told you that even if you doubled your income today, you'd still feel broke in 6 months? Yeah, that's not a guess. That's what happens to most people. So the real question is, where is your money actually going? And more importantly, who or what is stealing it from you? Stay with me, because number 4 is the one almost nobody notices, but it's probably the one hurting you the most. You get a raise, and suddenly your life upgrades. Better phone, better clothes, better food. But somehow, your bank account stays the same. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of building wealth, you build expenses. Let me ask you, did your happiness really increase, or did your standards just go up? Because here's the truth. Every time your income rises and your expenses rise with it, you stay stuck. You look rich, but you're not building anything. Now let's talk about the silent killer: subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, gym, apps, data plans, random services you forgot you even signed up for. Individually, they look small, but combined, they can drain hundreds every month. Here's a quick test. Can you list all your active subscriptions right now without checking? If not, you're losing money. And companies love this because they don't need you to use the service, they just need you to forget about it. Now this one is sneaky. Bank charges, transfer fees, maintenance fees, ATM fees, SMS alerts. They look small, but they are consistent, and consistency is powerful. Imagine losing just a little every day. Over a year, that becomes serious money. Here's the real question. When was the last time you checked your bank statement line by line? Most people never do. And that's exactly why these fees keep taking from you, quietly. This one is dangerous because it doesn't look like a problem. You're stressed, you buy something. You're bored, you scroll and spend. You're sad, you treat yourself. Let me ask you honestly, how many of your purchases are based on logic and how many are based on feelings? Because emotional spending feels good in the moment, but it destroys your future slowly. And here's the trap. You don't even remember what you bought, but your bank account remembers everything. It's just a small loan. It's just a little credit. I'll handle it later. That's how it starts. Small debts feel harmless, but they grow. Interest builds, pressure increases, and before you know it, you're working just to pay the past. Let me ask you something serious. Are you controlling your money, or is your money controlling you? Because ignoring small debts is like ignoring a small fire. It doesn't stay small. Now let's fix one of these problems properly. Subscriptions. Here's a technician's solution you can apply today. Step 1. Open your bank app or statement. Go through the last 30 days. Write down every recurring payment. No guessing, no skipping. Step 2. Divide them into 3 groups. Essential, you actually need it. Useful but optional, completely useless. Be honest here. Step 3. Cancel everything in the third group immediately. No delay. Step 4. For the useful but optional group, pause them for 30 days. If your life doesn't change, you don't need them. Step 5. Set a subscription limit rule. For example, no more than 3 paid services at once. Simple rule, powerful result. Now imagine this. If you save even a small amount monthly and invest it, in a few years that small money becomes real wealth. That's how rich people think. Not big moves, small, controlled systems. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 is stealing your money the most? Comment below your number, and if you're serious about taking control of your finances, hit subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about money, we show you how to keep it, grow it, and protect it. And trust me, the next video might save you even more than this one.